going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at something very, very different, and I'm just recording this. I actually didn't even look into it that much. We're going to be taking a look at a shop light, is what I'm going to call it in this video, because it could be multiple things. It's really for a warehouse, a mechanic's, like if you have a garage, you can hang it up, and it's going to be pretty bright, and it's going to bright what you need. I already opened it, as you can see. I wanted to see if it was actually in here, and I actually didn't read the box when I opened it. It just said my name on it, and I was like, all right, well, let's open this and see what's in it. So I know this is not something we usually review. And that's the whole point of this channel. I want to be able to review pretty much anything that's technology related. If it's got a circuit board, if you push a button and it turns on, anything that's technology is going to be reviewed on this channel. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments below. I can also purchase some things. So this was sent out to me by a company called GJIA. GJIA. I'm gonna say GJIA. That just seems like the most. They make LEDs. They've been doing it for 17 years of R&D. I believe. I don't know what R&D is. Like I said, this isn't something I usually do. This is more for commercial lighting, and I'm actually going to use it for my videos. Because, I mean, the light up here is adequate, but it's not LED, so it's going to look way better in my videos, and you'll see. I'll show you guys before the end of this video. I'm actually probably going to take this light down. Basically, what this light is designed is it's for automotive repairs, garages, warehouses, manufacturing facilities, stadiums, loading docks, aviation hangars, so like a hangar for a plane if you're working on a plane, convention centers, large retail stores, just stores in general, cold storage facilities, outdoors, temporary job sites, streetlights, and more. They didn't really list anything beyond that. This is a 100-watt unit, may I add. I got the lowest end wattage because I feel like more than 100 watts. Honestly, 100 watts is still way too much. But like I said, this isn't something I really review, so this is going to be a different type of video. I hope you guys enjoy these different types of videos because I reviewed a coffee warmer the other day, and I mean, that got a decent amount of views. So let's see what this is. So if we go ahead and open the box, as you can see, we've got the UFO high bay. They call it a UFO, and you'll see why it looks like a UFO. This is the 100-watt unit. This tells you all the information on how to mount it. And if you guys want to buy this, there will be a link in the description below. And actually, I can get you guys a price. It's not even that bad, especially for an LED unit. For the 100-watt unit, you can actually get packs, by the way. You can do up to a 6-pack. I'll tell you the 6-pack price so you guys know the difference. But the 100-watt 1-pack, the one I have, is about $48 or $49.89 if you go to their website. I'll also put the Amazon link in the description like I usually do, but $50, almost 60 if it's not on sale. It's about 60 if it's not on sale, is great for this. It's 100 watts LED, and you don't even need to buy it if you don't have a warehouse. If you just have like a really big, just an open area you want to use for, I don't know, a hangout spot, one of these, maybe 2 of these would probably light up the entire place. And you can actually vary on the wattage, but it's also got leads if you want to connect it into your main line so that when you turn the switch on and off, which actually I'm just going to plug it into my, I have an outlet up there which is already plugged into the switches, so if I turn the switch off, the light will turn off, but you can actually wire it right into that. That way you don't have to worry about, or if you want them to automatically come on, like a lot of warehouses, when you turn the lights on, it turns on row by row, and that's basically what that would do. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. First off, you get the safety lead. I actually, as you can see, I did look at this. Safety rope, it's just for safety to prevent it from falling. This is the main hook, which is what I think we're going to be using. I think it'll fit over that. Oh yeah, perfect. That's exactly where I'm going to hang it, since that's mostly where I record. But yeah, so this is the hook. It's going to screw right into the top of it. But like I said, this is going to be a different video, guys. Completely different from what we usually look at. So here's the unit itself. I was actually not expecting these guys to contact me, and I want to thank GJIA. If I'm pronouncing that wrong, I'm sorry. It looks like GJIA. GJIA. So I'm going to say GJIA. But thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. This is a really cool piece of technology. Look at all these LEDs. There's so many. This thing's very bright. But as you can see, it has the lead. So you have positive and negative if you want to wire it into that, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to plug it right in. And it's actually very high quality and industrial for 60 bucks. So if you want to buy a whole fleet of these, they're probably not going to take that much power. I know it says 100 watts, but it's LED. Compared to like a regular like halogen or fluorescent, those are going to take way more power than this thing ever will. So let's go ahead and screw in this puppy. This little screw here. I unscrewed this, that way this can go in better. I'm not sure what this is. What are you? I think this is how you change the wattage, which we can show you. Yeah, you've got power. It's on high right now. Let's put it to low. And then you can do the load. I'm not going to mess, well, I mean, the dial probably won't hurt anything. I mean, we can mess with the dial too if we wanted to, but we'll put it on low and see how dim it is, and then we'll turn it back up to high. I'll probably leave it on low, honestly. I don't need that much light for my videos, but so let's tighten this up tight. We can screw that in. I'm not really sure where this goes. I'm probably not going to use a safety lead. I don't think it's needed, especially because the drop isn't very far, so it probably won't even break. Does it want it? Oh, it wants me to undo one of these bolts and then put it there. So we're not going to use a safety rope. I don't really think we need it, but let's go ahead and plug her in, and I'll show you how freaking bright she is. So, oh god. Yeah, this is low, guys. That's low. Like, this is what the videos are going to look like. And it's overpowering the yellow light that, well, I think this is LED too, but this is way better LED. It's overpowering this. The only thing is if I look up at this, I'm going to hurt myself. So I got to be very careful not to look up at it. Let's turn it to high and see what we're getting. So, high. Oh my god, yeah, no, that's way brighter. Look at that. There's a difference, by the way. Can I do it while it's on? Oh, yeah, you can. Yeah, low and high are like, it's going to stay on low. It doesn't need to be any higher than that. I don't... Oh, my God. Huh. That's nuts. That thing is bright. You can see the difference in temperature. Or not temperature, but what if we put it to high? Let me go all the way up. Oh, my... It is lighting up the entire vicinity of the downstairs down here. That is nuts. Okay, we're going to put it back to low. I turned that thing all the way down. So, yeah, this is the light. And I know this isn't something I normally review, but when I saw this, I'm like, yes, I want this because I want to use it in my videos. And even if I don't use it in my videos, I could easily use this at home. So if you guys want to buy this, there will be a link in the description below. There is a 10% off sale as of May 13th. I don't know how long that sale is going to last, so you guys better buy it now. There will be a link in the description below. You guys can also buy it on Amazon. This is going to be more of a shorter video because it's a light, and I don't really know what else to do. I want it to be... Okay, we want it to be all the way down. I'm not really sure what to talk about. What I can do is I can turn all the lights off and just see how much it lights up. So let me go do that. All right, well, you can see the lights are off. Now, it don't even look like the lights are off. I mean, you can kind of tell, but like this lights up the entirety of the downstairs. This is nuts. I'm not going to change it back to high because low is perfectly adequate. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly take this light down. We are going to plug her in, and then we're going to confirm that she can hold up. I'm not really sure where I'm going to put this other light, though. So, yeah, that's the GJIA UFO LED high bay light. It's 100 watt. You can get it for about $49.89 on their website. I'm not sure how much it is on Amazon. It's probably $59.99. And if you are curious, the 240 watt 6-pack is about $440.99. That's actually not too bad. I don't actually know because I don't know anything about this type of thing. I know zero. If you work in a warehouse and you do these lights, let me know if that's a good price because I'm very curious. I don't know. Maybe I'll catch a different type of like interaction with my audience, like a different type of audience doing this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it because this is a really different video, and I'm probably gonna get this uploaded when I can. Well, that's what she looks like. I looked up at it, and now I got a bunch of spots in my eyes. However, it's good. The cable reaches. I might move it towards the middle a little bit more, but right now this is fine just because it lights uneven. But for recording purposes, this is going to be fine because this is mostly the area I record. I do need to get a camera. If you guys want to help me get a camera, there will be a donation link in the description below. It's time for... I've been using my phone for so long, but... Yeah, guys, that's the GJIA UFO LED high bay light. If I'm botching that name, I am totally sorry. You can get it for $49.89 on their website. Check it out in the link in the description below. There will also be an Amazon link. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy this video, drop a like. I mean, if you guys want to drop a like, if you didn't like it, that's fine. Drop a dislike. Subscribe to the channel if you guys have not done so already. If you guys want to see more videos on lights like this, let me know in the comments below. I could probably work out a deal. It'd be cool to see their other lights. They have a bunch of different ones. I'll put their website link in the description below so you guys can check out the different lights they have. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this different type of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video, and peace out.